Welcome back to Taja's Garden. I'm the Gardening Realtor's husband. If you're new, I'm glad you're here. And if you're returning, welcome back. This is the husband takeover session. Let's get it. What we're doing today is we're going to be cleaning up the garden a little bit. You have a lot of weeds growing here and there, so we're going to pluck up as much as we can. We're going to move these things out the way, and we're going to get it started. But look what I found. I wonder what's going on. I wonder if they're hurt, laying eggs, or pretty sure they're doing it in the nest, right? I'm gonna try to work around them. So let's see what I can get done. I've been doing this for the past hour, and I think I did pretty much. I did pretty good, I think. I didn't get to go to that area because I guess I pushed the birds back that area. I'll just let them rest. But I did get this area. So I decided to clean the garden bed today because I wanted to contribute in some way while my wife grows all the fruits and the vegetables. I felt like I could be of some type of help. So I felt like cleaning the garden would be a good way to contribute, to show appreciation. And anything else you wanted me to do, like cut down the okras the other day. But I pull as much weeds as I can and try to clean it up as best as I can. And if it needs it again later on, you'll see me again doing that. I don't mind it at all. But yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. You're gardening with Well, the Gardening Realtor's husband today. So thank you.